Welcome to Traeger Smokin with Jon-Mark. Today we're smoking chicken wings on the Traeger Scout. Ooh, look at those wings. We're about 1 hour in, and these wings are in wonderful shape. They're just regular chicken wings on the Traeger Scout. We have about an hour and 20 minutes left. Otherwise, they're gorgeous. Yeah. Got half a bin of pellets left. Probably fill some more up here in a few minutes. These are the gourmet pellets. So this really smells really good. If you're looking to do chicken wings, the Scout does them great. You'll love it. There's about enough here for 2 people. There's about 22 wings, both wings and flats. Okay, I'm going to put the lid down so it stays warm. Thanks for watching.